This 3-step Korean face mask facial uses rice as our main ingredient. This facial will make your skin feel hydrated, soft, bouncy, and glowing. It's perfect for all skin types and tackles acne scars, dryness, dullness, dark spots, and even oil control. First, we cleanse our face using honey, packed with nutrients beneficial for acne and dull skin, acting as a natural hydrating exfoliator. Massage honey on your face for 2 to 3 minutes and rinse with lukewarm water. Next, we prepare a brightening face scrub by mixing 1 tablespoon of rice flour with 2 tablespoons of milk or water for oily skin. Gently massage this mixture onto your face for 5 minutes and rinse off. Rice flour is fantastic for exfoliating, promoting skin lightening, and improving texture. Lastly, we create a Korean rice face mask that brightens your complexion, reduces pore appearance, tightens skin, and provides deep hydration. Blend fresh aloe vera gel until smooth. Mix 2 tablespoons of this gel with 2 tablespoons of rice flour to form a thick paste. Apply it all over your face and neck. Massage for 5 minutes, let it sit for 10, and then rinse off with lukewarm water. This facial can be done twice weekly for stunning results, minimized pores, and a gorgeous glass skin glow. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to support the channel. Try this facial and let me know how it worked for you in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.